International 1206. Hails out of Street, Maryland, calls it the Shed Shaker. Construction foreman by trade. Good looking old 1206. Oh my, popped the tire right off the rim there on the left side. Need a forklift, need a forklift. We have plenty of equipment here on the grounds. Hate to see Brian. Alrighty, green flag for Mr. Luke Gladhill out of Union Bridge, Maryland on the Weapon X tractor, John Deere 4455. Did real well last year. He got Rookie of the Year last year. Watch this young man struggle up there with his pulling. Alright, nice run for Luke. Did a little hopping, got off to the left there, and brought her back. Getting a hold of that Hamilton County. 4430 John Deere in the 4466 Hut Farm Space. Colson betting on green. Okay, looks like Mike Moreland. Dick D, another 1466. Called Dick D. Dixon Jr. out of Earlville, Maryland, a problem child, International 1066. how the county sand and clay tells the story. Come up a little short. Push the clutch in before you break something major. All right, at the green light, green flag, Mr. Duck Payments. By adding Lucas oil treatment to your vehicle, it cleans and lubricates the entire fuel system, pump, carburetors, fuel injectors, and valves that you drive. It also improves your vehicle's performance. It's a non-solvent product designed to protect both gasoline and diesel engines. Lucas fuel treatment, it works. Alrighty, last man in the class, he was actually the second tractor out tonight. Reset the sled, so maybe number one, Mr. Luke Gladhill, Union Bridge, Maryland.